Lalo, 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 lalo. Panganang. Sarap nito guys. Panganang isda.
So what, like sending money to the Philippines or like, you know, support for the family?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Oh my God. It's been raining. Pinalabas ko yung aso. And umulan pala. And then yung shed is open. So, ngayon, i-close lang natin. Puntahan lang natin yung shed dito. I-close lang natin yung door, window. It's been raining, baby. You do wanna pee-pee. Good morning. Say good morning. Hi, monkey. Come on. Up. Good girl, monkey. Sige na ako. Pinangga. Pinangga manak ni mama monkey na. Come on. Okay, gising ko lang talaga. And then pinalabas sila. Sabi ko, oh, ulan. Madilim yung bahay kasi umaga pa. Sobrang umaga. Ang saya ko, guys. Meron tayong pandesal. Pandesal from Baliwag. Masarap talaga ito. Philippine roll. Masarap talaga. Masarap talaga to. Pakainin ko na yung isa na yan kasi ganina pa yan iyak ng iyak. Kausap lang ko lang, sabihin ko lang, gusto mo nito? Gusto mo ng ano? Pandesal? Gusto mo ng pandesal? Hala, sige, kainin mo na yan lahat. Gustong gusto niya yung bread, guys. Kakain na daw siya, oh. Ready na daw siya kakain, oh. Kaluka ito. He really is my kid. He like pandesal. He's my only boy. Gusto niya pandesal. Oh my God. Sakit sa mata. Itong yellow light. Kunin nga natin itong yellow light kasi dagdag yellow. Nag-transfer na naman sa couch. Sabi pa niya, tumayo 3 o'clock. Tayo siya ganun. Parang nahihilo pa. And then, TV and then cellphone. Ngayon, hagok. Paminsan, kini-question ko yan. Pero most of the time, naintindihan ko kasi kahit nung bata pa daw yan, ganyan na. Magtataka na daw yung ama't ina niya. Bakit may ano na sa living room? Kasi binilhan sila ng horsey ba? Yung laruan ng bata. Parang magtuya-tuya ba ganun? Maririnig daw nila umagang-umaga mga 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And then doon na sa couch. And then few hours later, yan yung sinabi ng ina niya. Na, huwag ka nang magtataka kasi ganyan na daw yan talaga. Na, parang habit. And then plus nadagdagan pa sa sigarilyo lalabas. So gustong magising ganun. Pero sa bata pa daw yan siya, mahilig na maaga maano. Kasi sabi pa niya daw, yung ulo daw niya is may always yan may migraine. Nakakaawa kasi hanggang ngayon, bata hanggang ngayon, dalang-dala niya yung sakit ng ulo. So nakakaawa nga yan. Naghintay na ito, sabi pa niya, pakainin mo na ako, ina, mamaya na yung story. Come on, right here, come on. Mag-coffee lang ako, guys. Mag-coffee tayo. Yung coffee na ginagamit ko is isa na lang natira. Sus, galing ako doon, hindi ako bumili. Ito na lang isa. Kopi ko blanca. Meron akong ano doon, string beans na bagong tubo. Masaya naman siya. So, buti na lang nabuhay siya. Look. Dito siya. Open talaga yung ano nila. Nakalimutan nilang isara. So, yan. Ito siya, guys. Mataba naman siya. Look. Gusto ko lang lagyan ng stick. Lagyan natin ng stick. Ito, meron na naman tayong i-harvest. Guys, harvest tayo, guys. Look, ang string beans. May string beans pala dito. Look. May string beans pala dito. Look. Kunin natin itong bunga. Harvest tayo. Kunin lang natin para yun. Yun. Then meron pa dito isa. Hold on. Tignan natin kung may bunga ba dito. Wala. Pero may isa dito. Look, ito. Kunin natin. Kunin natin. Kunin natin. Look, mayroon pa dyan mga maliliit. Ganito lang naman yung ginawa ko, look. Patindig lang siya dyan. Yan. Ang taba na naman, i-harvest ko to. Ilagay sa freezer. Ano to tawag nito? Parsley. Ilagay ko to sa freezer para magamit. Diba? What are you looking at me? You don't eat your breakfast. Do you wanna eat now? Do you wanna eat now? Tinanggal niya yung nilagay ni Tammy, guys, na ano sa paa niya. Tinanggal niya. Sabi niya, annoying ito. Oh my God, yung doktor, sabi pa, mag-diet daw kayong dalawa. Kasi ang tataba nyo na. Sabi pa ng vet, mag-diet, ikaw, gain 4 pounds for 3 years, which is really good, 3 years, 4 pounds lang. Pero, okay naman katawan mo. Pero si Misty talaga nag-gain a lot mo na, oy. You being a heavy doggy na. Hi mga ka-everything! Balik po tayo dito. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin po natin is nag-harvest tayo kaninang umaga ng zucchini sa garden. And then yung talong the other day. And cucumber the other day. Ang gagawin ko po is nakaupo. Beans, string beans, bato, whatever. Kung ano yung tawag ninyo nito. So, yung iba, may butas kasi kinain ng ano. So, wag na nating isama yan. So, ano sa Tagalog nito, guys? Nakalimutan ko. Palitaw, di ba? Basta yun. Na-understand naman ninyo, uy. Hindi naman ako Tagalog, guys. Hindi naman ako lumaki sa Manila, guys. Lumaki naman ako sa bukid. Sa Visayas. Sa Mindanao pala. Sa Mindanao. So, wag nyo na akong awayin pa. So, yun. Hagpatin, ikat, putulin, yun. And then, hugasan. Hinugasan ko na to. Hugasan natin ulit. And then, lutuin, guys. Stir fry. Gusto ko sana itong bulang lang. Yun na ba? Lauoy. Or, lauoy kung sa Bisaya. Are you okay, Han? Andun si Tammy sa bathroom. Sinabihan ko siya, tayo ka dyan. Naka-cellphone ganun. Sabi ko, tayo ka dyan. Alagaan mo yung mukha mo. Sabi ko, nawala na yung pagkagwapo mo. Ang dumi-dumi, ang daming buhok. So, ngayon, tumayo. Is it clean na? Is it clean? Let me see. Come on, show me. Show me your face, baby. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, right here. Huh? Oh, you don't shave it right. You don't shave it right, love. Still hair in it. You don't use any shaver, honey. Huh? My shaver over there that I use for my vajayjay. It's really sharp, love. Han? Han, it's, oh God. It's really nice, Han. Put it in my vajayjay and put it in your face. It's a nice combination. Perfect combination. Lovely you and me. Perfect combination. Lalo, 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 lalo. Oh my God, my baby. Oh my God, he has this bug killer, guys. Every night he go out, he bring that swapper. Is that a swapper? Zapper. Swapper. Zapper. To kill the bugs. It's like a mosquito, like this.
You can put it on here. There's a bug flying around here.
Okay, what?
Oh, it's wobbly. Lauoy man ito sa Bisaya. Lauoy. And then, sa Tagal, sa Mindanao, sa mga taga Surigao nun. Pero pag abot sa pagdating sa Cebu, iba ng pangalan. Sa Tagalog, iba pala tawag nila, bulang lang. Bakit na lang? Uy, bakit nabuo niya? Nalang lang pa. Nabulang lang. Parang, pika-bulang lang.
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, yung binili natin na isda galing sa Filipino store, yung pinaka-paborito kong gawin po is ipa-fry siya. Kahit luto na siya, pero gusto ko talagang fry. As in, so lutuin natin siya ulit. Ganyan ako guys. I like recooking the cooked food. Gusto ko yung ganun. So,
mahilig akong mag-recook guys. Hi guys! Kain po tayo guys ng... My God! Oh my goodness! Ito yung tuna bili at saka panga. Oh my God! Galing sa Filipino store na pinuntahan natin. Si Tami, may kausap. Mamaya na yun. Panganang. Sarap nito guys. Panganang isda. Tuna. Yeah, panganang tuna o panganang salmon. Whatever, basta kay isda siya. At saka ito, bili. Binili ko yan para kay Tami. Kumain siya kagabi. Kumain siya sa dinner namin. Nagustuhan naman din niya. So, bukog. Ganyan ako mag-recook talaga. Mahilig talaga ako mag-recook. Ang ano lang naman yung recook ko is fry lang. Si Inday Garota hindi alam kung saan uwi. Mag-recharge daw siya. So ngayon, nalilito-lito na siya. May mga laman-laman. Kamutin ay. Kamay ay. Bakit good down? Bakit good down? Ang sarap. Ay. Oh my goodness. Ang dami pang laman. Ginoo ko. May mga laman talaga siya, guys.
You see my wife out here, like, let's see if I can zoom on her a little bit. Sleeping out there, it's 86 degrees out. And she's taking a nap in the heat. So hot out there, you could just stick to your clothes. But she thinks it's comfortable. Me? Not me. The dogs, neither. The dogs don't want to go outside because they don't like the heat. Look at this one. So the only one who likes the heat is that one.
Guys.
You know the way you treat somebody.
Han? Seriously, honey? The way he treats me, guys. Ay, nako. Look at him. Han? You are crazy. Ay, yung asawa ko. Grabe. Grabe ka cute. Dito pa rin guys, ito pa rin yung damit natin kasi dito lang naman kami and then wala kaming ginagawa kundi nag-usap-usap. Nag-usap-usap, nag-inusapay kami dalawa. Yeah. Why you need more?
There's no keys. Where are they?
In the drawer. I told you it's open.
Now you put it in the drawer?
Because I cannot reach.
I'm gonna lock it when I come back.
You know, wala namang magnanakaw dito. Walang magnanakaw dito, guys. So, gusto niya, i-close niya lahat yung parang yung shed. Ang andon is more, hindi yan madala ng ibang tao. So, kailangan ko lang palang hold on guys ha. I-open ko lang yung trunk.
Meron akong kunin pala. It's raining. Which one are we going? Which place?
Valero.
Huh?
Valero.
Valero, are you sure? That's far, hon?
Well, you want to go to this one over here? You can't turn it, and you can do that in mobile.
I will go to...
You can go to the one with Dunkin' Donuts in it if you want. You just can't make that left. You go past it, make a left, and come back.
Yeah. Roxy probably freaked out already because the thunder,
I
guys.
was going to take her with us. You didn't want to.
Sobrang lakas ng ano.
She could come in the car with us.
So what do you think, honey? I have something to ask you.
What do you ask?
What? Because it's pandemic. You think it's a
Pandemic? Is that like a party? Pandemic.
pandemic? So what, like sending money to the Philippines or like, you know, support for the family? I know I send money already for their what we owe from somebody. So what if like the support, regular support? It's like you're gonna be like, you know, I know we don't have a job. I don't have a job, and your job is not really
Sketchy.
sketchy. So I don't know. I ask your
look.
opinion. What is it?
Everybody's in bad shape right now. We're in bad shape. They're in bad shape. They need a little help. We try to give them a little help. You know, we'll work through it somehow.
So it's okay with you, even just a little bit?
A little bit, so we can, you know, like I said, everybody needs a little bit of help. So, you know, we give them a little help, they can get through, and hopefully we find a way to get through it, that's all. Worst case scenario, if things just spin down, we get rid of the house and we do something else.
What? We're gonna get rid of the house and do something else?
Yeah, well,
That thing that we talked last night about property?
if things spin down, then we find an alternate, that's all. We get a cheaper house, we get a cheaper neighborhood, we get a
RV with a
nice
property?
RV and buy a piece of land. That'll save us
A lot.
$15,000, $16,000 a year easy. Well, at least 16.
Yeah, but you don't have school tax, right?
You won't have any. No, you won't have a school tax because you don't have a house.
A house. But you still have to pay
Still have
property
property tax, right?
Yeah.
If your RV is mobile and you don't live there and your kids aren't going to school there,
But can you fence your property?
you can put a fence on any property. You don't need to have a house on it. It's your
Like-
property, you can fence it off.
Because, you know, when we decide to do like gardening stuff, guys, that's why I asked Tommy, guys, because I want to hear his input, you know. Is it okay with him, la la la, you know. But before, he's the one sending money without me knowing. So this time, because of the situation, you know, of course I have to ask, not just like surprise.
Turn surprise.
There's no,
They don't want us to go. Surprise.
yeah.
Go after the black card. Go. You have to go a little faster than that so other people don't have to hit their brakes.
I can do whatever.
Yeah. So you get hit.
This is the diner that you want me to
Go,
bring.
go.
No, I don't want to.
Oh my God, look at all the cars behind them.
I don't want to. I'm the one who's driving.
Not very well. You had more room between.
Okay guys, ulan, so let's go help Tommy.
$61, guys. Hey, did you pay?
Yes, you pay ahead of time.
So, buti na lang hindi na umulan. And, hindi ako kumakain. Nagluto na naman ako ng chicken adobo sa aso. Ang daming tubig kong nilagay dito. Pero, look, ito na lang yung natira. Kasi niluto ko talaga siya ng niluto hanggang, you know, konti na lang yung sabaw. Kasi para yung flavor ng chicken. So, ito yung sa aso. So, yun lang yung ganap, guys. And then, aalis si Mister. Yung kakain daw niya is pizza. And so, mag-pizza siya. Doon na siya bibili ng pizza. Doon sa New Rochelle. Sa isang bahay malapit. And, so yun. Yun yung, hindi na ako kakain ng dinner dahil ang dami kong kinain kanina lunch. I give you the cheese. He's leaving na, guys. So, that's it. Do you need some Guyavano? You buy and then you don't drink, hon. You see the and then you're gonna go, but Oh, so that means you never drink.
I do drink, but I only drink like that much a day.
Okay, say bye-bye na.
Bye, guys. Just keep here.
No. I want you to bring it, please. I want you to bring it. You will enjoy it when you get home.
You'll enjoy it.
No, forget it. Let's go.
It's nice cold. What's your camera?
I don't want you to leave now. You're tickling me now. We're gonna lie down in bed. Your cell phone too. It's in the couch. And you tickle me, huh? Now I'm kind of like, we need to be in bed now. Let's go to bed. Han, don't leave now. Let's go to bed now. We need to go make a baby. Come on. Come on, hurry up. Aalis daw siya, oh. May bag na, pagkain. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Come on. Okay, guys, we're gonna make a baby. Bye. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. I-end ko na itong vlog.
Where's that other adapter you said came in?
Thank you. It's over there in the dining. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I-end ko na dito din kasi meron pa akong gagawin mamaya. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Hansi, bye-bye for the vlog.
Bye, guys.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.